Dry, makati, at magaspang pa rin ang balat mo kahit araw-araw kang naliligo? Huwag mo nang tiisin. Ito ang skincare duo na nakakatulong para maging mas malambot, hydrate, at komportable ang pakiramdam ng balat. Urea Body Wash plus Urea Lotion. Let's start with Urea Body Wash. Mayaman ito sa urea, isang ingredients na kilala sa pagtulong na alisin ang dry skin habang pinapanatiling hydrated ang balat. Unlike some body washes na nakaka-dry pagkatapos maligo, ito ay nakakatulong na panatilihing soft at moisturize ang skin. Habang ginagamit mo, ramdam mo agad ang gently cleansing without that tight, dry feeling. Help remove dirt and impurities. Leave skin feeling refreshed. Help soften rough, dry areas. Comfortable for everyday use. After every shower, mas fresh at mas smooth ang pakiramdam ng balat. Pero kung gusto mo ng mas matagal na hydration, don't skip this next step. Let's lock in that moisture with the Urea Lotion. Ito ang tumutulong para mapanatiling hydrated ang skin at masuportahan ang skin barrier. Perfect ito para sa mga nakakaranas ng sobrang dryness at gustong magkaroon ng smoother looking skin. After bathing, patuyuin mo muna ang katawan, then apply an appropriate amount of lotion all over your body. Massage gently hanggang tuluyan itong maabsorb ng balat. Hindi siya mabigat sa pakiramdam at mabilis din maabsorb. Ang resulta, skin that feels softer, smoother, and deeply moisturized. Kung pagod ka na sa dry, harap, and uncomfortable skin, this body care routine is definitely worth checking out. Healthy looking skin start with proper hydration. Save this for your next body care routine. Have you tried Urea skincare products before? Let me know in the comments.